Hey guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you a tutorial how to fix TikTok effects not working for your Android. All TikTok filters not showing. Okay, before that I wanna ask you, how are you guys? You don't miss of our videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And now let's start it. First of all, we go to the TikTok application. Click on the TikTok. After that you can upload it about your camera here. After that you can click the effects. You can see all of the effects here. You can choose them. If this don't work for you, it's not working, you can go back and you can see the TikTok is the latest version or not. Go to the Play Store and see about the TikTok. You can see the TikTok is the latest version. Okay, how to fix it? You can go to settings. After that you can go scroll down about the apps. Click on the apps here and click the manage apps. After that you can search about the TikTok. The one thing that has been too disturbing about the effect not working to your TikTok is the about change and the book. Okay, you can first the clear change here, and after that you can clear data, and you will be to fix TikTok even not working. Okay, this is a tutorial how to fix TikTok effects not working. I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.